Hi, good day. Welcome to Messages from Ancestors Ghana combined with Who I Find. Today I'm going to be talking about hygiene. Some people, before they move in together in a relationship, haven't interacted with their spouse to know how they are before they go to bed, when they wake up, etc. Like how they sleep, whether they brush their teeth or they take a shower before bed, do facial mask, etc. In the Akan culture, the Asante culture, you can ask your family members and the family members of the person whom you've done kokoko to engage in steps to marry the person, to ask to stay with the person 3 to 6 months so that you two can get to know each other before you agree finally on the due date to set a date for marriage. And this is to first to get to see how you two get along, second to get to know each other's habits. Now you have to do the kokoko. That's what I have to stress. You have to do the kokoko before you can engage upon this, so that if and when you two engage in this cordial relating together in one space, and you don't get along, you can back out of the agreement and not marry, or you can go ahead and marry. So that is the culture of the Akan and the Asantes. Right. So yeah, that is there. So for hygiene and for getting to know your spouse. So that's something that I wanted to bring to light, if maybe some people didn't know. So yeah. Also, in this instance, you cannot have physical sexual relations, but you can have spiritual relations. You have to keep, because if you have physical sexual relations and she gets pregnant, you have to wait until the child is born before you can marry her. That's one. There are ways to determine if a person will get pregnant. I will talk about that later on, but God has revealed that secret to me. Yeah, you might think it's crazy, but crazy is as crazy does. Welcome to my world. Messages from Ancestors Ghana, who I find. Thank you for listening. Bye and have a blessed day. Hi guys, I forgot to add. In the hygiene part, some people um, don't do certain things. Like some people don't bathe before bed. Some people do not brush their teeth before bed, and other people do. I will admit, in my previous marriage, I never did. I did take showers once a day, but I never was the type to take a shower before to go to bed or brush my teeth before to go to bed. But realizing in other relationships that the people that I got in the relationship with do that, I've learned to learn those habits and attach it with my own habit. So it's like, if somebody else is doing it and somebody else is not doing it and telling you brush your teeth, take a shower, and you are not the one doing it, but you're forcing somebody to do it, how can that person do it? It's like, do what I say, not as I do. That doesn't make sense. So that's just something I wanted to add on. So do as you say and do, not do as you say and not as I do. Do what you say and do. Bye and have a blessed day.